Some people, able boss, come talk about some things while go on TikTok and try, you would say, you know what I mean, clear up some things. See, so wanna Swissly gift to them. It look like say she turn able was gifter. And you know most of them people yeah, sometime on TikTok when them give a person, most of them woman yeah, them come on TikTok and them give the man them and we see it happen already where I want them did want the man make them give the man. You see me I say me not say that I go on yes or no but at that enough people I say Zine them I say the woman we are gonna use allegedly give Swissly because she wants Swissly and through Swissly not in her she go over to Able Boss. So she big up the G that a Able Boss and put him up on her thing and we are gonna make you hear or see what she say about Able Boss. You know what I mean? And one of them mix up people take it and put it on for them thing. And the people them under the comment the people them have some whole heap of things to say. You see it? So Able Boss you know him come and him kinda you would say ah this the people them will put up the thing on them page. You see me? And I say them not like him. You see me? And me are gonna make on hear what Able Boss have to say, seeing, and me are gonna put up the thing, me gonna see what the woman say to Able Boss. So this is what she put up, my people, and these are the people them will put it up back. You know what I mean? And these are some of the comment them what the people them are comment under it, seeing, and then them show when Able so, alright, so see Able Boss him tell her whatever him tell her and see the woman and the Able Boss thing. You see it? Someone want to know look good Able Boss comment on the way she put up and she comment back. You see me? And people, this was the song where did I play? You know what I mean? Where she put to the where she put up. When I first saw you. So hearing the song my people. Anybody would have say something mean or something. So we are gonna hear what Able Boss say now.
That page yeah. See the video right just so. The video right just so. You see me? Let me show you something, people. Catwoman posted me yesterday telling me happy birthday. You understand what I say on our platform? And it becomes a major problem where, you know, the fucking page take the lady post and una bull the lady, so the lady a buy cock, the lady a do this, the lady a do that, and whatsoever bad man. I go up on a page and I scroll down. You understand? Coming to some of them pages, you have to know your enemies them, you know. You have to know your enemies them and you have to know people when I like you, you know. I scroll down and that page don't post nothing about me. Nothing about cloth all a page in a post, but we are 1 or 2 or about 3 faces, me say every single minute. You understand? I say 1 and 3 faces every single minute. When I on a favorite birthday and them gifters them a post them on them platform, cause I know when you can go over them crew and click on them gifters and look on them page. them not them depend them page. Them favorite depend them page. You understand what me I try to say? Well them. You see me? And my people oppose me. It's a problem. Wanna bring that is negative world. Wanna move like say a 1 or 2 person alone are privileges from Bumbuckler Jamaica TikTok community. What are they gonna suck on the mama? What me understand when me and my people in my corner and we alright. You understand? Not evil, a happy birthday or anything. I know you don't like me, you know. And when people come around me, maybe you not gonna like them either. You understand what me I try to say? You not take the lady post, lady when not even do mix of them, not even trouble people, bro. And I bully down the lady about some negative thing, bad man. When we go up on the favorite them page, whole it on the bumbuckler the people them where una say what play bumbuckler innocent on TikTok. Go up on them fucking page. Go up on them page and go up on them gifters them page. About 10 a whole heap of gifter and them gifters them post them. And I don't find nothing wrong with that. Not true. Only not find nothing wrong with bumbuck like that. Not true. Only not find nothing wrong with that.
So people want to know what you think, because as we say already, enough woman come over TikTok and them see a man like him and them just start give him, you see me, and then you hear say the two of them, you know what I mean, there. So enough of them woman here come on TikTok, come give the youth them, and them want some rare in return. You see me, me no know why this woman no over Switzerland no more, but it look like say able she a link with you now, right? And the people them on TikTok, when them see certain things are going, them are go give them opinion on it. So it look like say them see what the woman put up, and people the song that are the thing make the people them a pray and say what? Nah man, it look like something a go on here so, and then what him say to her, and then what she say back to him, make the people them a pray and I say look like something a go on here so. I don't know what Abel was there. Him not like film thing load up none at all. So we don't know if not now go on this so, or the woman just maybe I do this for get to like get to Switzerland certain way. You know what I mean? But he will say some things and want to hear what he must say. See? So make we hear some more our able boss officer people.
And said nobody's over able, everybody gone left him. Wanna laugh and talk. Say everyone are able people them left him and able not have nobody. But some people them are listening, you know. Them listen and listen every word, you know, utter, you know, bro, out of the mouth and bring come to me, you know. Wanna say able not have nobody at all. And on the laugh till on the bet against me, which is no problem. And I'm so surprised for know where all of this trend come from. This is unbelievable. Like really? You don't want to see nothing good over here so come from over here, bro. Nothing good or nothing nice happening. Nothing good enough for happen over here, so. Over here, so for look small. We are small and nobody enough over here. Nobody at all. Anybody else can lose people except for certain people. Everybody else for lose people. No, but everybody else for lose people, but not certain people. Exactly, Twitchy. For true, that's facts. Lando did have a, you know, so Lando did have a big blood clot team. And Lando lose people. I remember when Lando did have a blood clot side when everybody did have up him DP. Lando did have a ras clot side with Denisha and Oshie and them. And Lando have to start over and right now Lando does a start over and give them also Lando no mix up. And Lando no do certain things or what's even the humblest lose people. Even the humblest of people them lose people no matter who you is and no matter what you do. People always go. People always go. People always go. And nothing is wrong with that. If Twitchy, for instance, says she want they over one, she want, if Twitchy feel like say, here the boss, I think I support you enough and she just want to go adventure somewhere else and I see her over one next man or woman live, I do I think I'm gonna see her no more. I'm not gonna disrespect Twitchy. I'm nobody from my side can bully Twitchy. Me have to respect Twitchy because the landmark of Twitchy set over here. Our respect is over here. Our respect it will always be over here. Our respect will always be over here. You understand what me I try to say? The people, these are people. They are not puppets. Them on a picnic. Them entitled to do what they want. With their own money, auntie. What am I telling you, man? Yo, I'm telling you something. You know how much people, you know how much people they want to come fuck up the blood clot World Cup? And because of the energy them not come? I won't even call blood clot name because if 2 and 3 the person they come a problem. Pan this team where you see me have, if them 2 to 3 person they really and truly come. And don't watch no face, it's problem. Pan the problem what me and my team create already in a local competition. But because of the energy pan the app and who I watch who, Tazwa go and who I shoot for who and this and the person do over the person alive again like yo you don't even understand to blood clot youth. Tazma. Big up yourself, Tasma.
People, you see, out of all of the people them on TikTok, Able Boss, him would I say him tougher than the whole of them. You see me I say, he's a youth, like him know how to get gifter, keep them, You see me I say, and grow. But enough of them other people here upon TikTok, them get couple gifter and them go on like say them no want like them them now move toward get more gifter. Them alright with the gifter them what them have and them no know say them the gifter they what them have. Them a go tap gift them one day because member say money, you know, and nobody now go just come every day come give you. But able was him know how to move. You see me I say, me not like people. World dog say him are the biggest on the app. Yeah, enough people know him. But me not think him have the money where able boss have. Able boss know what him a do. You see me I say? And enough top gifter able boss have over the time him dey on TikTok. And people say him love take away other people gifter. But it's all about how you do your thing. You see me? So him a do for him thing and them have to go do for them thing too. Maybe them have to go do what him a do and try take other people gifter because him a go say some things me people where him know what him a do. You see me? So una listen what him a say.
Una make a lot of people not supporting on the app no more because on the energy, bro. Because on the energy and own ang situation and all them something the bad man. And that me a sip on the app, dog. Yo, man, telling you disgusting, dog. And very and this truly disgusting. And all them something there, bro. Yes, well, here, so I take with T-Nice, because T-Nice come here, so they come show me enough love for my birthday. So, them could have talked, so I take with T-Nice already. Because T-Nice come yesterday and show me enough love for my birthday. But here, so I take with T-Nice. And you saw here, say me I cock up T-Nice from Jamaica and she there in England. You saw hear that too. You saw here, so I take a blood clot T-Nice because T-Nice come for me live yesterday and show me love. And everybody else come for me live yesterday come show me love. I don't some sort of know. You saw here, so I take a no. You saw here this and here that. And that the picture would not paint over here. Like say anybody over here, you gonna hear about take away and me I do this to them and me I do that to them. Say anybody will come and shoot over here, you gonna hear say you gonna hear say me I do this to them, that's why me take them away. Yes, flow with it, so here say me do this and do that. That's why like me I tell you to blood clot. Nobody can bully me. And nobody can bully my people them. Or my supporter them. You so hear that? T-Nice, I want to come to England, but I come to England, I don't think I will see you because if I see you, you're gonna hear say things is happening between us, and I don't want that. And that is not right. But that is how it's supposed to go. Because I am telling you, because me want to come to England and me want to group up all of my England supporter them and my England SWAT people them like Skywalker, Sachel, Louise. Me a plan say any day I'm along in England, me go have a look at dinner with all of my local supporter them and my teammate them. And you're gonna hear one lot of things. Yes, that would be the next topic, Shanique. And I joke me and make Tina say, go come to dinner. No matter what them want to say, she's gonna be there. Them are gonna be there. Yeah, that's why you gonna hear some me do. Yeah, me I tell you, only easy, you know. She will be at the dinner. You know what I say? I don't give a damn what you want to say at this moment. You understand me? I try to say I don't give a damn what you want to say. You see me? But but you know why I like my England supporters them? Because them stay up with me. Them drink Red Bull and them take jobs to stay up with me and shoot for me. Last night was my birthday job and my England people them do over here and show me love. When them for there them bed. When them for there them bed. Louise and everybody. When them for there them bed. Me I tell you, bro, me I tell you, father, me I tell you, youth, me I tell you, say anytime we are going with nothing over here is a problem. Just check the logics. Is a problem, bro. Just check the ratio. Them look on the good and create something bad out of it. Each time and them people them group up and laugh and bully down my father.
You see, able boss, him I go always be um a man on the app because him a no fool. Him know what him a do. You see me I say? Yeah man. And me don't know if some of the things them where them say about him are real thing because world come out and him say some things about him, you know what I mean? And him say, you know what I mean, him talk for him part of it, but is a youth when know what him a do, you see me I say, and him a go always be a, you would say a top man on TikTok. So make a watch some more and hear what him a say.
Love you too, Twitchy. Love you too, Twitchy. Anytime anything good happen over here, gonna take it and create something bad about it, bro. Like, me can't understand what really happen over that community here, but it don't look good. I just the goodness for the over one side for Uno and nowhere else. That is what I am seeing. Goodness for the over one side alone and nowhere else, bro. Nowhere else. Nowhere else, brother. When the World Cup for start, and Louise alone you have, and Cattleman, Louise and Cattleman, I don't have no problem with that. But when the World Cup start now, when you see other different names, when you start on them, when you start on Beauty Bar and whole heap of other people, when you see come over here and a shoot, yo, you know what? You shouldn't even block that person. Shall I tell him to tell him to suck their mother? What the fuck do you? Or should I tell him to suck them? Should I tell him to suck their mother? And that me I talk about when people they on them live and I call name. Them not call nobody name for views. And when certain people I call people name, them I call them name for views. And that are the fuckery me I talk about where I go on the app. When other people say them want to call name, them not call nobody name for views. But when certain people are calling them, I call them name for views. You see what me I talk about? And the same thing me I talk about, bro. That is a prime example. Yo, Uno some, yo, me tell you say so, Uno, God have blood clot plan, God have something to say about, you know, I hear us say all time out say, I am having sex with my supporters. That's what he said out of his mouth. Uno move like say, and never that him say. So if you say that out of your mouth, and people, them gonna look at who is supporting over here and start on them. Una move like say a Tanya sweet it a start from. I just shouldn't even want to talk certain blood clot things. I'm gonna slow that here. But anyways, una have to focus and know who rate on, bro. Cause you see that page, I don't love it all 800 people go for that. I don't like something I give a free promotion or nothing. You understand? I don't like something I give people a free promotion or anything. You understand what I try to say? But I don't love when I go over the Taya Sweets page and look what good differently she has to say about Able Boss and scroll down at 2 to 3 person. That page is just for 2 to 3 person alone with good. You understand what I try to say? I can see that page and I like me black. Black and everybody under the comment section black. Black. Una nah go see me fall. No matter what una do, una nah go see me fall. Una nah go see poverty over my head. Because God bless me, right? And una nah go see the poverty over my head because me's a warrior. I'm very determined. Remember me telling you, say anything we wanna do and any picture I wanna paint over here, we're not going to see it.
Yeah, them people, they mostly put up like Swissly and World Dog and Atto. You see me I say? But you able to know say this is TikTok and people are gonna put you up. You see me I say? So you have to just know say that come with everything. So you have to just do your thing and know say yo, them are gonna put you up. You see it? And on a level still, you see the song where the woman put up and that make the people put you up still, you know. You have to know that. You see me? Cause people love mix up. So when them see certain things, them are gonna put it up. You know what I mean? For people come over them thing. You see it? So if you knock it, nothing wrong with it. Cause you're not gonna be the first person to knock them gifter or the last person to knock them gifter.
Talk the truth, bang tang girl. Talk the truth. Talk the truth. On the pin the comment there. Talk the truth. Perry, big up yourself for pass through yesterday, bro. I really and truly appreciate it a lot. Big up yourself, Perry. No unity in there again, bro. No unity, and it will never come back. It will never, no matter what, never come back. Because a lot of cult and biases is over here. Never will come back. Remember me tell you that. There are only 3 people that they talk about good with. I am telling you. So I blocked that fucking page and everybody under that post. Yes, it was there in the first place, Louise. No, Louise, it was there in the first place. It was there in the first place. But now, it was there, man. The unity was so cute in the first place over here. So many things was not happening. Gifters were so freely, could I do anything they want to do in the community. It was here in the first place. May I tell you? Yeah, you come late on the app. People see there can tell you who I showed long time. And some people up on the app for more than a year can tell you, say it was here. It was here. It was here, man. No fun just company app, man. No fun just company app, bro. It was here, man. My little birthday yesterday was nice, and my birthday dropped nice last night, and the vibes was here, and the people will come out and make it a priority. And make it a priority and come show me little birthday respect and all them something there, bro. When I come and I bully down my people them pantapite and all them something there. Because if I want a favorite birthday, you know, them get posted all over, you know. Them like you not post them all over and no problem, you know, brother. Remember me telling you that. Because you don't know nothing about the app, you know. You don't know nothing at all about the app. You never drain, and feel pressured because of you alone. Them are gonna have nobody else. You see, me when they on the screen, let me tell you what is my job. As an entertainer, as a streamer, or whatsoever. My job is not to be limited. Not only with my team alone. Because enough time my team cannot be able to come through for me. Because TikTok is expensive and this is raw cash. Big up yourself, beauties. Enough love, my sister. TikTok is expensive and this is raw cash. You understand what I try to say? It no matter how rich you is, TikTok would draw down a person. So my aim is not to pressure my team, but to be unlimited and have a wide support system.
So wanna see how able boss a pray. Wanna see how able boss a pray more and more. You see what I say? So enough of the time me see like some of the people them on TikTok, you know what I mean? Them have some gifters and some of them I say I'm good with me gifter them and ray and it's like them now look for have more gifter. You see me I say if them and them gifter them kinda build, you know what I mean, like a thing where them and them gifter them and it's like them no want no more gifter. Them not link with no more gifter. But when you see how able was a pray, the man a say more and more. So I saw you have to pray because and every time them gifter the way you have I go able to give you. You see me? So you have to get more gifter. You see me? So when you see me tell you say this boy and a fool. You see me? So make a watch some more my people. I want to tell me what you think in the comment section.
A wide support system. So if Louise can come through for me, or Catman or Tujare, people from other places can come through for me and show me support and love. Because if me feel like say I'm bigger than the app, me and my team bigger than the app, you understand what I try to say? God will show me say that is not true. This is not how TikTok is go. Because if I feel like say me and my people are bigger than the app, all me I do is depend on SWAT team alone and draining them. No, my thing have to extend more than just my SWAT them. That is how I operate pan TikTok in the first place. My official match was the official match that brought the unity. Talk the truth, the match I'm going to play with the youth in the boxing gloves, who remember that? And me show Jamaica community unity in the first place. Not for una just come on the app and go do una research. And me set that trend there with official match and everybody come and shoot in a Jamaica community. Anybody that on the app long time can't go do una research. Go and do on the research and the rankers them where I rank long time before me when I come, them can tell you that. Go and do your research. A able boss bring cross that. You want to up off a hero here, man, and up off fight, man, and stop bring him down, when stop bring him down like that, man, and up off him name. What me I say is that uno go do uno research or just come on the app, cause some man just come. Some man just come on the app and don't see the niceness of the app. And no uno see that. Uno goes find back some old screen record. Uno go find back some old screen record. Me bring that. My match bring that. Go type in Able Boss official match. The first one, I must say what, 2022 brought that. I've been over here 2 years now, and that time the app did nice. Exactly. Only go look for that match. And Ryan, Maya, TJ, the long time, even Six himself. Alright, Louise, no slug. All of the rank of them are there a long time before me. Them can tell you about that match. What it did over here. Ryan them, I can tell you the long time rank of them, we are rank long time. Them can tell you about that match. That match that I had brought the unity over here, really. I say after that, me bumbo clad. If you have an official match and a play against a Jamaican, a problem. Anything a problem. Yeah, people usually afraid of Jamaicans. No, anybody can beat you. Anybody can come beat you. And when me see my friend is getting beaten up, I'm like this, just watching and not doing nothing about it. Anybody can beat you up right now. Anybody. Anybody from anywhere can come across and beat you up right now. We just have strength for one another right now. Just have strength for one another right now. Nothing else. Do research about that match. Go type in Able3GEDLY's first official match. That was viral on TikTok. What was it viral? Viral blood clot.
So you see enough of them things where Able3GEDLY talk about now, people now do it no more. You know why? Because them a go give people, and people now come back give them. Like, you know what I mean, them give the people them all one couple lion, and then when you check it, them only get back, you know, them now get back what them give them. So them must say, alright, at that kinda mash up that what them use to, cause one at a time, you know, people. Anytime World Dog I go do him thing, you know, man. Everybody should out, you know. You see me I say? And able when him do him thing, everybody at that them used to do. But people nah do it no more because them say them a give people and people now come back come give them. You see me? So that mash up the thing. You see it. So make a watch some more my people and then we are go end it.
So the aim as a person, a camera like me, is not to be limited with my team alone. Unless me don't want no glory from TikTok. Unless me don't want no glory from TikTok. But if you want glory, I want to climb to higher levels, your team can't stuck with you and your team alone. You have to respect other people. You understand what I'm trying to say? And respect other people, bro. Respect every tappers, every gifters. Everybody deserves respect, my father. I am sure there is no Jamaican ranker in Jamaica community can take up American podium 3 times for the week, even 2. Name one person can do that. Name one person where them and them team right now can take American podium even twice for the week. Nobody. Unless it's a big match. And right now, not even the big match sure again. Not even the big match too sure again. Not even the big match too sure again. Let's be real. Not even the big match. I see some of them keep big match and them depend there, and by the end of the day, them still get lick off and them have all 2 mil up there or some shit. Them still get slapped down. Name one person. You're not even me. That's real, not even me at the moment. Who remember when Hero get #1 for the first time in America? You feel like X can alone do that? No. And the whole entire Jamaica community come together, and that was one of the most beautiful thing. That was history. The first Jamaican to get #1 America ranking. Everybody come and unite. Every ranker, every gifter come and shoot and put him right there. That was so cute, and that was history. Everybody, every ranker, every gifter, who remember the night there? It was fun, exciting, and lovely. And lovely. And fuck up the America ranking a day. They can tell ourselves, say, yo, we have to make a Jamaican get it for the first time. We are gonna make a Jamaican get it for the first time. We are gonna make a Jamaican get it for the first time. The unity there was also there. Who remember that? I don't think someone only was even on the app at that moment. When you doing research about that. What block this person will comment 999 for me now, please. Block that person. Me say some blood clot shoot, you see, man. Me say, yo, me I tell you, me don't know which rank can I shoot. Me don't know which gift can I shoot. I did love that moment there too, bro. I did love that moment. You have some historic moment, and that moment where you it for the first time was historic and lovely. Yes, Tommy, it was lovely and historic. The place in up me bumper clot. We have said here if you got beard and load the phone. You remember the man? If you got beard and leave the phone, don't restart and all that something there. And man was there and we couldn't find a body to play. I would draw for man.
So people, that's what me know want to think in the comment section, because we don't know if it's my people. And if able boss her and knock it, and the people them come and put it out there and him feel away, you don't knock it already, me G. You see me I say? So come on. If people put it out there, own up your thing. You see me I say? Because the people them know some them people are forward pan TikTok and give no for the youth them, because them want some rare. You see me? So let me know what you guys think in the comment section.